Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on our 03 Volvo V70, I'm going to be installing and replacing the power steering pump reservoir cap. So it has the dipstick on it. We got this one from 1A Auto. It has a dipstick with measuring tool, new gasket, the locks. As you can see, the gasket on this one's no good. If you see this on your car, you can always click on 1A Auto and see if we stock it for your particular model. You're just going to basically push down. I could see almost that the spring kind of let go. So to reinstall the new one, I'm going to line up the two notches and turn it until it clicks right down. There it goes. I'll clean up that area and double check it after I run it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.